Athukumi maukui va Kenya ni mongamia mukomola wende wa maundu maukui itina wa mwiwano na serikali kukonia wambatu wa mathoa ma mauta ni maelesia kana mukomo ni wasongwa kwa ivinda ya chumwa kimwe kunenga mwanya unena nyambeange na serikali kikiyuka itina wa mukomo kutwaiwa nthi ya Kenya na kutuma musi munene wa ilovi na mataoni ange kuungamia mauthukumi mo valanthini wa mukomo yu andwana maisia mathayu mo na ange miongo etatu kumia nthini wa maandamano ala matwaiwe andu mana muonza mayeki wa mbini mwaka mwewe na mauvo.
With all due respect and the respect that we have been given today here, the strike has been suspended. That is what I want our Kenyan citizen to hear.
Maundu maukwikiwio ni chao mundini masiokewa isioni mbingi ivandi ya Kenya itina wa mukomo wa mateleva na munoma matatu kwamba kuungama vandu va ilungu ya mithenya muonza. Mukomo huu na ula ulikile muthenani wa keli umundi ni utumbuthie ukui na biasala kaundini ilovi undumwe na kaundini kivathukanio. Maskulu maivingwa na ene ndiku lasimika kutembea miendo miasa. Ene yanda maunduni maukui matongwe uwe ni mwene kivilo ngwatanio ya ene matatu Kushen Mushiri. Mawetaga na kielelo cha kuungamia mukomo huu ni kunenga uthei unena ni akati wa serikali na ene yanda sekta ni ino ya ukui.
On behalf of the Federation of Public Transport Sector and Association of Matatu Transport Owners, mine is to urge all our membership, our drivers, our conductors to resume operations effective immediately so that we can be able to assist our Kenyans continue with their normal running of their normal activities. But we want to assure our members that within the next 7 days, we shall have done the best of negotiations, and I believe by the time we come back here, we will come with a good solution.
Minister wa usese wa ndini Kipchumba Murkomen inena atianite na utongwe wa ene matatu na kuiva nthi ya Kenya ni waweta kana kuungama kwa mukomo huku inenga ivuso serikali kuthinikia na mituki undu itona kuthesia mathoa ma mauta na alama ende na kuothothea kwambata kwa ngalama ya mikalile.
And that those negotiations must be undertaken within the next 1 week. That in the interceding period between now and Tuesday, 26th May of 2026, that the strike that is ongoing is suspended for a period of 1 week to provide an avenue for consultation, negotiation between the government and the stakeholders.
Avindane kwa minister wa mwaki Opiyo Wandayi ni wekilizia nendika na serikali na mivango mielu ya kuekedia kana mathoa ma mauta ni mathea unakutwika vena kiliso na maumu kula mauta asu mekuma.
Last night's reduction by 10 shillings on the cost of diesel per litre alone took some 2.7 billion shillings. And therefore, that is a demonstration of the fact that the government continues to be sensitive to the plight of Kenyan petroleum consumers.
Mukomo huu wa mateleva na ula wa kuwa masaa miongo itatu na thanthatu ni wethi woyamba kuungama kwa ilungu ya mithenya muonza kunenga uthei unenania wa ene yanda kivathukanio muvyani wa ukui kuikithia kana ni makwata usungio wa undu thoa wa mauta vanthi ya Kenya tona kutheanga. Ilivotia vilingi wa movoku katikati wa musi wa ilovi nitawa mwaka mweu.